I'm Sue. Today we're going to talk about geological time. Geological time is broken down into geological scales. These are based on different things that have happened throughout the Earth, different events. We're going to start here in the Cambrian, and we're going to work our way up, coming up all the way up through the present. You can see this is quite a bit of detail, so we're just going to brief over just a few things. 14 billion years ago, scientists say that an event called the Big Bang happened. And this Big Bang created all the matter that's ever would be and ever is. And this matter was just flying around in all kinds of just haphazard ways, colliding, coalescing for 10 billion years. Finally, at 4.6 billion years, the Earth was formed. Remember, we're still in late heavy bombardment. We're in this time where all these asteroids are hitting the Earth. One of these asteroids, about the size of the planet Mars, glanced off of Earth, knocking off a chunk of the Earth, creating our moon. That's called the Theia event. We fast forward approximately 1.5 billion years, and we come into 3.77 billion years ago, we have evidence for life. These hematite tubes, they found these exact same tubes in fossilized areas in rock that they dated to 3.77 billion years. So they're saying that yes, this is the beginning of life. In Michigan, we've got banded iron formations. These were from 2.1 billion years ago. If you look, we've got red lines and black lines. These red lines are indications of iron formations that have been rusted. That's an indication of oxygen, because we can't have rust without oxygen. So they're saying 2.1 billion years ago, we have proof of oxygen. Also in between these layers, we have these little Gripaneus spiralis. These are multicellular organisms, 2.1 billion years ago. If we fast forward another 1.5 billion years, we run into a situation where suddenly ice hits the 30-degree latitude. It turns us into snowball Earth. It's an interesting event. They're not sure exactly what started it, but photosynthesis was high, knocking out the greenhouse gases. Eventually the planet cooled, and we ended up with an entire Earth covered in snow. Banded iron formations came back during this time. We fast forward 400 million years ago to the Mesozoic era. 3 different periods in this area. We've got the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. The Triassic started 251 million years ago. That's a long time from the start of the Earth. The environment there, during the Mesozoic, the environment is tropical, subtropical. We have lush green, beautiful trees. At 146 million years ago, we have dinosaurs. At 75 million years, we have Walter. Walter is down in the basement of the college, and we are putting him together and hope to have him assembled. He was from the Cretaceous. Had he been here at 65 million years, we would have had Chicxulub. Chicxulub was where a major meteor hit down in the Gulf of Mexico, causing the extinction of all the dinosaurs. If we fast forward 64.8 million years, it's a lot of zeros, we get humans. The total time passed is 14 billion years, 14,800,000 years, from the time the Earth started till the time we had our first humans. Thank you.